Imagine you're on a remote highway and suddenly your car breaks down. It's late and you're miles away from help. These moments remind us how vital a well-prepared car emergency kit can be. In today's video, I'll show you 15 essential items every car kit should have to help you stay safe and prepared for any roadside emergency. First, jumper cables, but not just any. Use single vehicle portable jumpers so you can restart your car without needing another vehicle. Next, make sure you have food and water. Non-perishable food like granola bars and enough water to last at least 72 hours will keep you nourished while waiting for help. Another key item is a tire repair kit. A flat tire can happen anytime, and having a repair kit and an inflator will get you back on the road. You should also pack a first aid kit. For any injuries, big or small, it could be a lifesaver. And don't forget a blanket and warm clothes. During colder months, these can prevent hypothermia if you're stuck in freezing temperatures. Always have a flashlight with extra batteries to help you see clearly and stay visible in the dark. Another vital item is a portable phone charger. If your car's battery dies, this will keep your phone powered so you can call for help. Emergency signaling devices like flares or reflective triangles are crucial. They'll help signal for help and ensure your car is visible to other drivers. A multi-tool is another must-have for any roadside repairs or tasks. And don't forget duct tape. It's versatile and can fix just about anything temporarily. Also, include a tow rope in case you need to pull or be pulled to safety. Another item that's often overlooked is a fire extinguisher. A small car fire extinguisher could prevent a minor fire from becoming catastrophic. In winter, always have an ice scraper and shovel to clear snow and ice. And while we rely on GPS, pack a map and compass too, just in case your phone loses signal. Lastly, keep a whistle handy. It's a simple but effective way to signal for help if you're stranded. So, those are the top 15 items you need in your car emergency kit. From jumper cables to food and water, these essentials are designed to keep you safe and self-sufficient in emergencies. Now it's time to take action. Check your car kit today, add any missing items, and ensure you're ready for the unexpected. Stay prepared, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next video.